It was a two-legged, big-eyed, yellow-haired, crying canary. I got down on my knees and I picked it up and said, my word, what a cute little bird. So I walked around over this big old town, telling every pretty girl I meet. I said, I just found a bird around 53rd in a big little hole in the street. You know it's a two-legged, big-eyed, yellow-haired, crying canary. They all gave me a look and said, what did I heard? Do I look like a girl who just lost a bird?
Sorry about that.
Well, I did everything I could, but it didn't do no good. I couldn't find its home that day. I went uptown, downtown, and all around this big town. I even tried the ASPCA. And while I was there, lo and behold, in walked this chick from out of the cold. She just looked at me, and without a word, she made a great big grab for that little old bird. Give me that! Two-legged, big-eyed, yellow-haired, crying canary. I'm so glad I have him back, I could almost cry. Well, I'm sorry you lost it, and upon my word, it's an honor for me to give you back this bird. It's just a two-legged, big-eyed,